guys, and welcome to another episode of Mods and Beers. So today, a bit of a technical episode, getting a few scratches on Luxy, just from being out in the scrub, a few branches and sticks and stuff, and you know, you get that cringing feeling when you drive past and you hear it scraping, anyway, don't want that, don't want to stop driving it though either. So I've come across this product. There's a heap of products out there. This one's from a company called Hexis. It's called Body Fence. And these guys do all sorts of paint protection film PPF for cars, exotic supercars, and four-wheel drive. So the one I've got is called if I can find it. There's a few different versions here, but I've got the Body Fence P, which is the thickest version of this. So it's going to really protect the vehicle. I'm going to just do the guard, the two doors on each side, and if I've got any left over, I'll just touch these bits in the bonnet up. Clearly it won't stick to the canopy or anything like that, so it's just to give it a bit of protection when we're scratching. You'll see along here we've got a few big divots already which we want to get rid of. So this stuff is you apply it wet, so you squeegee it on with a solution, so it goes on pretty clear. You can get this in, actually I got a few samples. You get this in the clear stuff, but you can also get it, which I reckon would be pretty cool if you wanted to do a color change as well. You can get it in this gloss black too, which might be quite nice. We're not going to do that. We're just going to clear opaque. So it's pretty much just like a big sticker. We wet the car down. Got to clean it first, which I've done. I have a few other products here I'm going to show you that I use. I can't get this off. Here we go. So it's just that. It's just a clear film that will apply to the car. So what I'm going to do is I got this, it's called Shag Clean. It's a final cleaner, so I've already washed it and dried it, so this will take any waxes or greases off it. And then I got the Hexis gel. So we spray this on, and we spray the back of the vinyl, so they're both wet, and then we put it on and we squeegee all the water out of it to get all the water bubbles out. That's that. Other stuff I'm using, I've got a special nice soft rubbery squeegee just for this, which will spray some of that stuff on to make it glide a bit easier. Sharp knife, a couple of magnets to keep the vinyl in place while we're positioning it, and a nice couple of microfiber cloths. So that's it. So let's get into it and protect Luxy so we can go back on the tracks and not worry so much. All right, let's get into it. So obviously when you're doing this, one of the big things that we want to watch out for is dust, because if a bit of dust gets underneath it, you're really going to see it for a long time. So there's a little hair there, so we just want to make sure that we've got everything off, every particle that we can off. So I'm doing it inside the garage, the door's closed, no windows open, so hopefully not too much dust in the air. I'm just going to do one panel at a time, clean it, and then move on to the next. I've not done this before. I've wrapped the bonnet myself. I've done bits and pieces like that, but I've never done any of this PPF stuff, so we'll see how it turns out. Hexis PPF sort of done. That's got to dry yet. I can already see some bubbles in it, which would annoy the life out of me. Anyway, I'll spend a bit of time now trying to get rid of some of these. We'll see what it looks like when it dries. It's not perfect, but look, it's going to do what we want it to do, which is protect the car. If it does get a scratch on it now, I just need to get a heat gun out and wave the heat gun over it a bit, and it should self-heal. So it's going to look pretty good for another couple of years anyway, and then we might rip it off and do it again, and I'm sure I'll do it better the next time. I think one of the big takeaways for me was don't use the gel, just use this. So this is just a water bottle, or an old window bottle with water in it, and just a tiny bit of washing up liquid, and just soak it. Soak the car, soak the back of the material to get all those little bubbles out. Anyway, it is what it is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. It does help the channel out heaps. Hopefully this weather in Southeast Queensland will clear up pretty soon and we'll get back out on the tracks. Okay, thank you.